All right, everybody. So this is just the video I put together to show you all how I used suspenders to put my marine vinyl and my eggshell crate memory foam together with my massage table that I do use for body waxing. I thought it would be a really good addition to add the memory foam for comfort, especially if you're doing extended services, just so the client does have a bit of comfort. So as you'll see here, the best way, in my opinion, from doing this is to work with everything upside down. So you're going to have the marine vinyl laying on the floor. If you have a pillow, you want to just go ahead and do everything kind of backwards, upside down, because that is when you flip it, how the bed is going to have to look. So marine vinyl on the floor. Of course, it's going to be sanitized before a client is taken care of. I went ahead and just put the pillow, because that's going to be directly under the marine vinyl, and then the memory foam. So here I'm just showing you guys what the suspenders look like. I found these on Amazon, and I'll go ahead and add them in the link below. I got a pack of 4 of these for, I believe, $8 and some change. So this video, of course I had to cut it and chop it up a little bit because it was pretty long when I was doing it myself. So I just kind of want to show you guys the important parts of this video. Again, this was my first time attempting this, so it definitely was a learning curve, trial and error. So my marine vinyl is 2 yards, 2 2/3 long. So with this method of just connecting the marine vinyl with the suspenders directly underneath the bed, there was a lot of folding to do. I got an extended length of my bed simply because I did add memory foam underneath. So you do want to have a little bit of extra fabric for wiggle room, but you don't necessarily have to have that much. If you want, you can use a staple to attach the marine vinyl. I personally don't recommend that. In the event that you want to reuse the marine vinyl, you don't want to have to worry about removing staples and create premature wear and tear on the marine vinyl. So here I'm just showing you guys there's a million different ways to do this. Again, my first time, so just trying to master and figure out which the best way to clip the marine vinyl. At this point, I wasn't utilizing the suspenders properly simply because I wasn't expanding them. These suspenders in particular, I do believe expand up to 12 inches. And I think I was using it at the 5-inch mark, which was good for the tighter corners. So as you'll see in the video more, you'll see there's a lot of kind of loose fabric. You will figure out what is best for you if you come into doing this. Again, you can take kind of the easy way out and purchase a wax pad. I found that, especially because I like to do DIYs, I found that this was more cost efficient for me. And it was just fun to do something for myself, because this is a part of my journey in building my spa. So on the Sierra Comfort beds, they have those little extra straps right there in the center of the bed that are used to store the extra pieces that come with the bed. And I'll explain that a little bit later in the video. But go ahead and utilize those, because you want to secure as much of the fabric as possible. And again, the suspenders don't open very wide. So if you're trying to fold a lot of fabric and place it inside of the suspender, it might be a little difficult. So go ahead and just like utilize whatever piece of your bed that you can to make this happen. I know every bed is not the same, but specifically for the people who do have a Sierra Comfort bed, this is definitely a great piece of the bed to utilize. So this is just what the bed looks like. It looks different on both ends. This was not my final result of the bed. This was just my kind of live experience for you guys to see what I had to go through to attach the marine vinyl to the suspenders. And really your biggest focus is just to have the marine vinyl secure, because you can simply put the marine vinyl on top of the bed and not secure it, but then you risk your clients getting on the bed and the marine vinyl shifting around. So you really just want to be able to have it secure, have it in place. You'll see there's, especially in that far upper left corner, there's a lot of leftover fabric and it's kind of bulky looking. So again, you'll figure out what's best for you and the best way for you to do this. This is just me showing you my experience with trying to wrap the marine vinyl with the suspenders. Definitely a learning curve. As you see, I still was not expanding the suspenders. I was totally forgetting that you can adjust the length of them. So I was having a little bit of a struggle trying to figure that out. As you see there, all that extra fabric would be a good opportunity for you to use a stapler. But again, I personally would not recommend a stapler if you ever get a new bed or you need to change the marine vinyl. You don't want to make it harder on yourself to remove those staples. So I hope this has been helpful. So obviously I don't know how this will look when I turn it over. The bed is not completely straight, but I'm hoping that when I turn it over, everything will lay flat. As you see here, the purpose of the suspenders is to just keep it in place. They're a little too wide to just wrap around this corner here, so you may have to create a little contraption there. The other side, if you have this specific bed, the Sierra Comfort, these straps underneath that they provide here for you to store stuff like your head pillow, you can go ahead and just attach the suspenders and the marine vinyl there to create that hold. Okay, here we are. Marine vinyl topper. Got some memory foam under there. Suspenders have it hooked in place. This may be a job for two people, so you can be able to flip the bed back over. I have some areas I still want to tighten up, so I may have to purchase maybe one more suspender or just find a way to, it's not going to be perfect the first time. That's that. I hope this was helpful, guys.